Hi and welcome to day 11 of our 21 baby steps to an organized home with the Fly Lady system. Yes, today we do laundry. I am so excited because this was one of the game-changing things that I learned from Fly Lady. Now what she says is we should do a load of laundry, rather include a load of laundry in the morning and also in the evening routine. So what you do in the morning is you sort the clothes, you put them in the washer if you're washing with a washer, or you hand wash them, you hang them. And then in the evening, you will come in and hang and fold and put away. So she says a load of laundry is not completed until you have actually folded and put away the clothes. And the system highly encourages that when you start a load of laundry, you finish with it all the way up to putting it away. My laundry routine also includes ironing, and I iron once or twice a week. And I'm only able to do this honestly because I have a house help and she helps me with most of the other work. Otherwise, if you don't have that luxury, you don't have to iron anything or everything, but luckily I'm able to do that. So let me show you how I'm putting our clothes in the washer, and then in the evening we are going to unhang and fold them and put away. If you have a dryer, even better, so you just have to remove from the dryer and fold and put away. Good for you. So now on with the laundry. And so that's how my load of laundry ends, by folding and putting away. Now, it's not every day that I'm actually able to fold, to wash, fold, and put away, although I am really trying. And sometimes it is a lovely help who folds the clothes for me, and especially for the kids. But the thing is to try and give it your best shot. Let me tell you guys, perfection is highly overrated. As we have always said, the progress, not perfection. So now, even if you skip like a day and are not able to fold the clothes like yesterday, then the next day you just do your best and try and fold them and put them away, so that the pile does not become ever so big. And yeah, we just keep going, we just keep doing our best. Let me tell you, with just these small baby steps, you'll see such a big change in your home and in your life. You will not even believe it. So there we have it. Let me continue with the folding. Thank you for watching. I really hope you're enjoying these 21 baby steps, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.